Hey, we're here at Monash University in Melbourne, Australia, and we're the Monash chapter of the Society of Economic Geologists. And we're going to introduce ourselves and talk a little bit about why we're interested in economic geology and how it can help shape our futures.
Hi everyone, my name's Owen. I've been working on the critical metal tellurium now for quite a few years actually. It's my 6th year working on tellurium. Quite an interesting one because it's quite an important component of about 10% of solar panels, but it's also found with gold. So it's really quite an interesting element because it's quite toxic in itself, but it is an important element and does need to be used in some critical technologies for the future, such as the aforementioned solar panels. In the past, it was mainly used as a pathfinder for gold, but I've been exploring the biogeochemistry of this element, and although it is quite toxic and it moves around the environment in a variety of ways, many of which haven't been fully explained yet, I'm working towards really understanding how it moves through the environment so we can actually understand its potential toxicity if we use a lot more of it to make sure that it doesn't become an environmental problem in the future.
Hi, my name's Ella Lausberg, and I just started my PhD looking at critical metals in abandoned or legacy mine tailings. And so I'm really excited for this because it's kind of an opportunity to get important critical metals out of already mined resources, which is really going to be great, not only for the environment, but as for economic geology, as once it becomes financially viable at least. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Fernanda Alvarado. I am a PhD student and my project is about modeling igneous intrusions for 3D modeling software. And the idea is to improve how we are modeling the subsurface for resource management. And I am really interested in economic geology because I think it's key for the development of countries and so on.
Hello everyone, my name is Duan and I'm a geochemist, and my project is to investigate fluid rock reactions, especially the feldspar water reaction, especially key feldspar reaction and albitization reaction, because key feldspar and albite are always associated with IOCG deposit and porphyry deposit. And it's need to know that why fluorine is also important in this hydrothermal fluids. And one of my projects is to investigate the effects of fluorine in these hydrothermal reactions.
My name's Sam Inskip, and I'm currently an honours student here at Monash, and I'm studying the structural controls on a new gold deposit they found in the Yilgarn Craton in Western Australia, which are really well known for its gold deposits. And the reason I'm interested in economic geology is because, we need all of these metals for the future, for renewables, for new buildings, for everything really. So the reason why I'm interested in economic geology is I love putting my skills to use to find these metals for the future, which we can use. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Alanis Olesch-Bryne and I am a PhD student here at Monash University. I'm focusing on the transport and source of rare earth elements. Rare earth elements are really important for the future. They're used in wind turbines, they're used in electric cars, and Australia is full of them. So what I'm studying is how exactly these rare earth elements, where they came from, how they got to where they are, and potentially finding more deposits so that we can have more rare earth elements for the future.
Hi, I'm Martin Beilharz. I'm a PhD student here at Monash as well. And my project revolves around looking at cobalt and other metals moving through subduction zones, specifically the subduction melange, and how the downgoing slab can contribute to elements moving into the mantle wedge and then into deposits on the overriding plate. This is really important because especially cobalt is a critical metal of the future, which is used in a lot of batteries and whatnot, and is going to be very important going into the future when we're looking to go into renewables. And yeah, I'm really excited about economic geology. I really want to make a difference and be able to provide some kind of framework that we can find new deposits and learn how these systems work.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a PhD student at Monash University and I'm studying experimental petrology, which is basically making rocks. And I'm interested in putting critical metals into my experiments to see how they behave in deep earth conditions. Basically, how do critical metals move from the subducting slab into the mantle wedge? And hopefully that will give us an idea of how to figure out where and why they form eventually in the crust. And yeah, I am just so motivated to do something that's important for, to do geology that has an impact on society, and to, actually help promote economic geology to other students, so that they understand its importance in our future for renewable energy.